Double this, double that, I need all my racks. Double this, double that, I flip all the packs. Double this, double that, I need all my racks. Double this, double that, I flip all the packs.
Good morning, Staxxx Hearts. I love you, Staxxx Hearts. This is episode 2. We are being consistent. Second episode with community, family, God, and consistency. Anything is possible, so never forget that. I kind of just want to briefly go over this because some people were telling me, it might just be good for you just to put it out there so they can know what Staxxx Heart is, what Staxxx Heart means. So I'm going to show y'all what Staxxx Heart means to me. So Staxxx Heart came from the concept that, becoming financially literate and learning about, finances and how to manage them and how to grow them properly. It healed my heart, It healed my heart from a lot of financial trauma that I had from over the years, just from seeing how my parents handled money. Not necessarily how I handle money because I'm 25, I just started getting money about 5 years ago. And you gotta buck it up before you really learn how to have discipline and, do right by your money. So yeah. So basically whenever I got financial literacy, it healed a lot of that trauma that I had from finances, from things that I seen growing up. And it could be hardships from like never really having nothing. So you feel like now that you do have a little bit of money, you gotta go spend, So just to show that you having that shit now and you don't, you see what I'm saying? Staxxual, factual. It's good to, I'm not even gonna say keep your money in your pocket because that used to be my motto, keep your money in your pocket. But nah, man, don't even put your money in your pocket. Put your money in a brokerage account. Put your money in an IRA. Let your money grow for you. But I always got to give y'all a little testimony. A little lesson, a little life lesson, and then I'm gonna give y'all some advice on the stock side. And I think today I'm gonna go into a little bit about option trading. So yeah, we're gonna get into it. But here goes the lesson. Staxxx always got a lesson for you. Alright, so the lesson of today will be everything has to be mutually beneficial. So like if you want to go do something, say for instance, you want a photographer to give you a photo shoot for free. Well, he's not just gonna give you a photo shoot for free being Joe Blow off the street. You see what I'm saying? If you have something to offer him, if you can expand his platform by you going on there, then maybe, y'all can work out something where all right, I'm helping you because I got this following and my following will help expand your platform, and you helping me because now you're mocking up the image and making the image come together with the platform. You see what I'm saying? Staxxual, factual. So everything in life has to be mutually beneficial. No one's just gonna do something just to do it just because. Nobody wants to take a loss to just be handing out shit out here free because everything in this life is expensive. I mean, y'all know that. Go to the grocery store. If you don't know that, go to the grocery store. You're gonna find out real quick. And a lot of people don't pay attention to detail. That's a whole nother story for a whole nother day. But yeah, everything has to be mutually beneficial. If it's not mutually beneficial, no one will have the need to even feel like they need to do that. So with that being said, I want to let y'all know you need to add value to your life. Make yourself valuable. So whenever these opportunities do present themselves, you can say, hey, I can help you with whatever you got going on by doing this because this is where I add value. So find out where you can add value in someone's business, in someone's life, so that you can, take those steps and make that step further. You know what I'm saying? Staxxual, factual. You know what I'm saying? That's the lesson of the day. So for all my people who are traders who want to learn how to trade, you know what I'm saying? We're gonna break down the very basic fundamentals of everything. So options trading. You can either do a call, which is saying, hey, I bet my money that this stock is gonna go up by this price in this time period, right? Or you can put it in a put option. So that's saying, hey, I think this stock is going to go down to this price within this time period. And you're pretty much putting your money behind it, which is your premium, saying that, hey, that's going to happen. And whenever with the money that you use, that you're purchasing the premium for, you're going to be paying for a contract. One contract is 100 shares. You know what I'm saying? So look, say for instance, like in last video, we talked about Google and how I said I think Google's going to 215 by the end of August. See, me, I always give myself time in trades because we cannot time the market. We cannot predict the market. No one can. You just can't. It's crazy. It's volatile, but you can make a very extreme educated guess based off the technicals, you know what I'm saying? Based off the news and the information that are surrounding the company. You can pretty much make a really good educated guess based off of that. But in the very simplest form, for all my stack cards, you got a call option, you got a put option. Your call option saying, hey, I think this stock is going to go up by X amount of price in X amount of time. Your put option, hey, I think this stock is going to go down by X amount of price in X amount of time. In the simplest form, that's what it is. You buy contracts. One contract is 100 shares. So if you have 5 contracts, how many shares? 500 shares. There you go. You know what I'm saying? And it's not saying that you're obligated to have those 500 shares, because you could just sell the premium off the contract rather than holding and exercising those shares. So yeah, that's just a little bit basics, in the smallest form of options trading, what it is. I do recommend that you learn the stock market, that you just sit back and long-term invest to watch how these companies move, to kind of see what sectors are the hottest sectors, to kind of see what you need to be in. Me personally, I'm huge on tech. I'm huge on the AI race. I think AI is the next big thing. I think in the next 5 years, we would not even recognize the world we live in right now, because AI is going to completely take over, literally. So yeah, I'm huge in the tech field. I'm huge in AI field. I'm huge in the NVIDIA GPUs that actually, help train these AI models, the best GPUs in the business. If you know, you know. If you don't got NVIDIA, go get NVIDIA. NVIDIA, oh my, man, NVIDIA is that. NVIDIA is needed for AI. NVIDIA is leading the AI race. It's the reason why the U.S. is leading the AI race itself. It's because of NVIDIA. So yeah, go get you some NVIDIA if you ain't got no NVIDIA. Stack cards. It's been a pleasure. Your boy dropping every Sunday, dropping gems on you, you know what I'm saying? Stack Heart Sundays. You know how it's going down. Hey, good luck this week. Man, remember, there will be pullbacks in September. Historically, September is one of the worst months to invest. So yeah, be ready for pullbacks in September. Have your money ready. When it's low, when the prices are low, we're going to pounce and we're going to ride it back up, y'all. Stack Heart, you know how we doing. It's been a pleasure. Hey, y'all stay safe out there. If you have not joined the Discord yet, the Discord is down there in the description below. So hey, man, I love y'all. I have a good one. Stack Heart, we out.